comparison. Right, so we're upgrading the headlights now. Even though it's got crystal headlights with the halo LED thing around them, they're rubbish. So we're going to go for the full-blown LED, as it's the last of the bulbs on this vehicle, as everything else has already been upgraded to LED. So off come the side lights now. They hold the side of the plastic trim on, and then I've replaced the original bolts with tech screws, chrome tech screws, because they're a far better grip on the original. Just hang that down. Just leave it there, that's enough to work on. So now we've got the I think it's four bolt screws that then take everything out in one. Is there another screw at the bottom?
There is.
Yeah.
One that we can't see. So 3 screws.
Make sure that you just hold that a second. Make sure that you only take the whole retaining ring screws out and not the 2 on the brackets, because that's what actually gives you your light alignment. For typical Land Rover style, this has been messed with. So we'll undo the main plug here, which is the high and low beam, but as well as that we've also got an additional one, because this is the previous owners put LED halo thing on. We've also got an additional cable for that, for the side lights, but we are going to use that in the new one because this has got daytime running lights. We've got something to cut it, we can always crimp new rotor crimps out. There you go. So nothing wrong with that, but it's a bulb, isn't it? So we'll see if anybody in the group wants some nice headlights.
What way to describe them as nice?
They are quite nice, the crystal ones.
Your daughter's talking to you.
Oh. So this is the new unit.
Marked at the top.
And very nearly got the cheap Chinese ones, and I would have been more than happy with them. But I did a trade for some work I've done this week. As you can see, these are UTV product ones. They're even marked up as top and bottom. They're also for right-hand drive, so they're far higher quality. So I'm really pleased with these.
Right.
So if you were just going for the high-low beam, it is just plugged straight on. This has got the additional though.
Do you want to run through the lights before I put them in?
Yeah.
We need to take them all around, we'll pull it all out again if we don't. Just go for side lights first.
Side lights.
Yeah, they work.
Main beam.
Yeah, high beam.
High beam.
Drop down again. Yeah, they work. Should.
I wish I'd got new retaining rings now.
Yeah.
They're a bit scabby.
Oh, nice. They just clip into place quite nicely. So, you've got to get these in the right place as well. If you don't, your holes don't line up. For your retaining ring.
Wow, they look different already.
Oh.
Isn't it nice having an extra pair of hands?
Yeah, it'd be nice for a magnetic screwdriver as well.
Do you want to go to Specsavers? Bin! Nothing they can do.
Yeah, they're still in the car. I forgot to pick them up. Yeah, go on.
No, mate.
No, mate. Get these in there. Don't do them up tight because it'll pull it in and I won't be able to see where these screws are going. At least this way I can see that they're going in the right holes underneath the one.
Earlier, do you want? I have to go on my thing that has shakes.
Yeah, you can't right now if you want.
That's it. That is how easy it is. No comparison. So they've made a nice job of that. So if you're wondering why everything's out like this, is I've just had the winch bumper fitted. We're going to make a custom A-bar that'll go around onto the side steps eventually. So next job will be smoke these lights out, raptor everything as soon as the winch bumper's done. But I'd say that was a very, very nice finish and a very easy install with very basic tools. So we'll just give you a quick show now. Just to give you an idea, 1 second. That's side lights. That's main beam. So that's, if you go into the liner, they're very directional, very directional. Just to give you an idea. I'm just going to go out the way of the. Did you